IT professionals video tutorials. This tutorial we want to look at how to create an invoice. We also use a particular menu, a particular feature that is called filter. Assuming I just want to post an invoice, I don't even know how to go about it. I just come to filter. I will now type invoice. So under the filter, it's showing me that to post an invoice, I can come to customer, sales, then transaction. I can also go to the inventory module and transaction. So let's do that. Come to transaction, customer and sales, then I'll select my invoice. So it's giving me new invoice 001. So let me now go to another place. If I want to go through inventory, I can just go to transaction, inventory, then I'll now select invoice. So it's still the same invoice that is coming up. So before I post the invoice, let me quickly create an item. Let me create an item. We'll come to maintenance, come to inventory, and I will now select inventory item. So we have service item like training and service. So consulting is a service, but I want to create a physical item. So let me say phone. Phone. Is it commissionable? No. It's not a service item, so this active. I can select unit of measure. Now give me this unit. So let me uncheck it for you to see. So we don't have unit, so I'll now select unit. It's not giving me a unit. So how are we stocking the item? It's a single unit. We have the pricing and so on and so forth. Let's say it is 4,000. Click on OK. So I haven't created my inventory. Let me also now add. Let me go to transaction and add some. Go to inventory adjustment. So I have my phone, reference number is 01. Set my quantity. This is my quantity to 30. So when I have the new quantity on hand is now 30. So process. So it's now showing quantity on hand 30. So let me close this. So I haven't created my inventory and also added the quantity that we have, I can now go back to my transaction, customer, and now post my invoice. So let me select XYZ Limited. I can always select the date. I have select the date. Then I can now click here. What am I selling? Phone. It's telling me that 30 is available. By default, the quantity will give you 1. Let me say I'm selling 8. At what price? I'm saying that 10,000. So did I want you to create VAT? You still need to work on this VAT 14% rate. It's not, we don't use, I just exempt it for now. Because I adjust the pattern in the other videos. So what this purpose of this one is just to show you how to post an invoice and create inventory. So we have saved. So after saving, we also need to now process the invoice. So process, I now post it. I want to print no. So it has posted the invoice. So assuming we want to now receive money from the customer, that's when we now go back to the transaction. From transactions, we will now go to general ledger, cash book batches. Let's say new batch. Which account is it going to? It is going to my GT Bank. GT Bank is 8410. So click on OK. Now select AR. Reference is 0R, R01, capital letter R01. Name payment received, the description. So how much did we receive? 10,000. So I can now post my batch. So successfully posted. So now let's allocate. It is now showing all the customer balance. So now say allocate all, then save, then close. So now let's check our customer report. Let's go to statement. Let's click on preview. So this is the invoice of 80,000, while the amount paid so far is just 10,000. So we are able to, in this video, we are able to look at how to create an invoice. We created an inventory called phone. We looked at how to enter the quantity, and we also posted an invoice and now generated statements for that particular customer. Thanks very much for watching.